In front of me is Xiaomi Pad 7, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus at the bottom right one and begin by setting up an hour. Then if you wish to use this alarm only once and get rid of it, use this switcher next to the light after alarm goes off. If you want to use it more, hit repeat and pick one of those options. Once daily, Monday to Friday, or customize. If you decided to select customize, pick days of the week manually and go back. Now hit ringtone, pick one of those melodies or hit all ringtones. Then you can either hit choose a local ringtone at the top, select allow, pick one of those sound sources, click on one of your files and hit OK at the bottom. Or you can select one of those ringtones by hitting apply next to the chosen one and choosing OK. Go back again, label your alarm however you wish to, and tap on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick one of those options. If you want to edit it, click on it, make your changes and tap on the same check mark. If you wish to get rid of it, hold it, tap on delete and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!